Merchant Services. In this module, you will learn how to process manual credit card payments on an existing account, post EOB ERAs with credit cards kept on file, process refunds to credit cards on file, and process daily credit card payments from the patient portal and payment plans into OP. Let's set the scene. The parent calls the office to make a payment on their child's account. You will process the payment manually in the patient account. To begin, we'll click on the Payments tab in the patient record, and then click the Add Payment button. We'll change the pay method to credit card present. We'll enter the credit card information. We'll change the credit card status to present manually entered. And we'll enter the payment amount. We'll click Save and Close to process the transaction. And we'll click Yes to print the receipt. And that is how you manually process a credit card over the phone. Let's set the scene. The office receives an insurance payment for a transmitted claim via paper remit, EOB. On the EOB, the insurance has indicated that the patient is responsible for a copay. You need to post the EOB and utilize the credit card on file to process the patient responsibility. The first step is to click on Activities in the main menu. Then we'll select Post Bulk Payments. Next, we'll search for the claim number in the Quick Pick Claim Number field. And we'll press Enter on the keyboard. We'll post the payment indicated on the EOB. We'll start by entering the check reference number. Then we'll press Enter. The claim line is highlighted, and $85 is the allowed amount on the EOB. We will tab over to the Patient Responsibility field. We will enter the $10 copay here that was indicated on the EOB, and then click Tab. We will enter the patient adjustment reason as copay. Next, we'll enter the insurance adjusted reason of $45 as indicated on the EOB. In the Patient Action field, we will select Autopay Credit Card Only. Then Save and Close. And that is how you post an EOB and utilize the credit card on file to process a payment for patient responsibility. Let's set the scene. The patient paid at time of service with a credit card on file. Insurance processed claim payments and stated that the patient does not owe a copay. You need to refund the copay amount to the credit card on file. We see the insurance payment was posted to the patient's claim without patient responsibility. However, the patient paid a $20 copay on their credit card at the time of service. We will highlight the patient paid line in order to void it. We will click Void. Then we'll click OK to void the payment transaction. We will highlight and also void the patient adjustment. And we will click OK to void it. Now we need to refund the payment to the credit card on file. We start by clicking Credits. Then we click Plus Refund. And we will choose the refund method of credit card on file. Next, we enter the refund amount in the Refund from Patient Credit field. We will type a note to document the reason for the refund. Now we will choose the provider. Finally, we will save and post. And that is how you refund using credit card on file. Let's set the scene. Your practice allows for patients to make payments both via the patient portal and by payment plan. You need to process these daily credit card payments into OP. We begin in the Billing Center and click on the Claims plus AR tab. Then we will click the Process button to process in clearinghouse reports. Now we will click the Current Receipts tab to balance the payments that were processed. We will click on the Deposit Source filter and choose Portal. And that is how you balance credit card payments received via the portal and payment plan.